This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the pen type because the ink system dictates the fix. Once identified, gather warm water, 70% isopropyl, a fine needle, pliers, and paper towel. Make sure parts won't roll away. Begin by carefully disassembling. Remove cap, unscrew barrel, and extract refill or converter. If it's a fountain converter, depress to expel excess ink into a bowl. These first actions expose the problem, clog, air gap, or damaged tip, so you can target the solution precisely. You now tackle the middle steps where fixes usually happen. For ballpoints and roller balls, flush the tip under warm water while scribbling on scrap paper to dislodge ink. For gel pens, soak tip briefly then dry. Carefully use a needle to rotate and clear debris around the ball. Avoid force that bends components. For fountain pens, flush the nib and feed with water until clear, then draw ink through the converter several times. Once done, reassemble loosely and test on paper to check flow. You finish by putting the pen back together and confirming performance. Reinsert the cleaned refill or converter, tighten the barrel, and write firm strokes to prime flow. Make sure cap seals properly to prevent drying. If flow remains weak, flush the tip with 70% isopropyl or swap in a new refill or cartridge. This often fixes persistent clogs. If you see a bent ball, damaged nib, or persistent skipping, replace that component or consult a nib specialist. Tip: when stuck, change the refill before replacing the whole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.